Thanks for joining my channel Paul's Educare. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. In this video, I am going to tell you about water, which is very precious thing in our life. First, we will look the resources. These are the resources that are found in the environment, are developed without the intervention of humans. Types of resources. Natural resources provided by nature, man-made resources made by human beings. Natural resources can be defined as the resources that exist on the planet independent of human actions. Common example of natural resources: air, sunlight, water, soil, stone, plants, rocks. To make investigation easier, the surface of the earth has been divided up into four interconnected spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. If you look all at Earth from our space, one thing is obvious. Earth is blue. Everywhere is water. Approximately 71% of Earth is covered in water. All the water found on Earth is called hydrosphere. It refers to water on, under, and over the Earth's surface of the Earth. The Earth is also called the blue planet as 71% of it is covered with water. Earth is the planet. The Earth is covered with water and land. Hydrosphere: the Earth is the only planet in the entire solar system which consists of water. The percentage of water on the Earth is higher than its land area. We often think of Earth in terms of its land area, but in reality, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, while 29% is land. The ocean bodies and seas contain salty water. There are four major bodies of water: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Salty water: 97% of the earth water is salt water, located mainly in the ocean and seas. 3% is fresh water, located on continents and Iceland, rivers, lakes, ground water vapor. Only a small percent of water is available as fresh water for human use. Distribution of Earth's water: a large portion of the remaining 3% of water is in the ice sheet, glaciers, and underground of water. The three major uses of water are generally recognized as domestic, agricultural, and industrial use. Domestic uses of water: cleaning, bathing, cooking, watering plant, and drinking. Agriculture use refers to the water used in the cultivation of plants and the care of livestock. Industrial use: cooling in energy production, manufacturing process. Water is essential for human life. Hydrogen gas burning in air can from water. Water available in nature in all three states: solid, liquid, gas. Water is colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid. It is said that water is life because no living organism can survive without water. As most fresh water is trapped in ice and glaciers, there is not much water for human consumption left. So, natural resources of water: oceans, vast masses of salt water that separate the continents, seas, rivers, streams. Man-made resources of water: dam, well, hand pump, tube well. These are the two mainly sources of water. So we need to recycle the water to assure our livelihood. The water cycle: there is always the same amount of water on earth. Water appears in different stages: liquid, gas, or solid form. Water continually moves between the atmosphere, the oceans, and the continents. This continental movement is called the water cycle. There are three stages. Water becomes part of the atmosphere. Evaporation: the sun heats and evaporates the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Transpiration: animals and plants release water vapor into the atmosphere. Point number two: water returns to the surface of the earth. Condensation: water vapor cools down and condenses, forming clouds. Precipitation: water falls to the surface of the earth. Water circulates through the surface of the earth. Surface runoff: water moves along the slopes of mountains. Infiltration: the rainwater filters into the ground, forming aquifers. Hope you understand this cycle. Water conservation. To preserve the environment, save water, save life. Save water, secure future. World cannot exist without water. So please save water. Every drop counts. Turn off the tap when brushing our teeth. Uneven distribution of water. The pollution of a region affects the amount of water available for each person. The Earth's small supply of fresh water is very unevenly distributed across the planet. Some regions have more lakes and rivers and get regular rain, while others are mostly desert and suffer years of drought. Pollution of water. Water pollution is the chemical or biological changes in quality of water, mainly due to the presence of vast and harmful participles in water. It is a very serious environmental issue. If this issue is neglected, then we would suffer from severe disease. Rainwater harvesting and storing water is the most important way to solve a problem of scarcity. Save water. Have a shower instead of a bath. Turn off the tap when brushing your teeth. Only use the dishwasher or washing machine when they are full. Water plants at night so that water is not evaporated. Repair water leaks. Thanks for watching and follow more. Subscribe my channel.